Everybody, it is me, Madden Mary Bananas 56 here. Well, really, I just came out of my mouth, but still, the light just went in. So it may happen in this video again, but that was like 5 seconds ago, 6 seconds ago, 7 seconds ago. But still, it was raining. It still is raining very hard right now. Like, very hard right now. Oh, now the clock is all blinky. My dad is just like, Daddy, say hi.
Hi, it's Daddy here.
The clock is blinking. For some totally odd reason. Daddy, do you know why the clock is blinking?
Because the power went out.
It's not
So
12:01.
It's
not 12:01 at night, is it? I don't know if it is. Can I see your phone, Daddy?
No, 7:29.
Why did you say it's 12:01?
Because that's what happens when the power goes out. Sometimes it goes back to like the.
But just look at the clock.
Careful.
Sorry guys, I'm just getting dressed over here. But that's so, like, I hope the clock proves to you guys that the lights actually did go out. Because I don't know why they did. Guys, I'm just going to show you the storm right quick. I don't even know if you guys could see this on camera, but there's storm. That doesn't even look bad to you guys. But it's thundering. It's just very. Oh, by the way, that's my picture. What I did, that's like my YouTube picture. Why would the clock be 12 o'clock? Oh, o'clock. Clock. That just doesn't really sounds. I'm actually bouncing. Right, Daddy?
Did you brush?
Yes. I'm balancing my iPad with my feet, right? Right, Daddy? Right?
Yeah, good job, eh?
No, I am. That was extremely. I'm gonna see you guys later. I just wanted to let you know that it was. The lights were totally off for a second. See you later. Peace out. Eat your broccoli and the carrots. You could buy them at the market. Just do that. And see you later. Until my next video. Goodbye.